What's up guys, this is Yorick for Tomtop.com, and today I will show you guys my best sleeping companion, a multifunctional Bluetooth speaker from AUX IN. The one who came up with the idea of combining an alarm clock and a Bluetooth speaker, no matter who he is, I think he's a genius. Because my mom used to tell me that not to keep the cell phone around my head, especially when it is charging when I was sleeping at night, because all the radiation stuff. I don't know if it is true, but I think it is better to place your cell phone away from you while you are sleeping at night. So next I will show you how to make this speaker into an alarm clock. Okay, let's turn it on. We focus on the back side and there is a knob here. Let's turn it on.
Welcome to AUX IN.
You see the time is displayed in here. Now is 15:57 right now. So how do we try to adjust it or set the alarm? So let's see these 4 buttons. And firstly, let's press the mode button, short press it, and you see this is our first alarm clock. With the new AUX IN, we can set all together 2 alarm clocks at the same time. So this is the first one, is 00, and you can set it as you like. And you press the mode button again. It's the second alarm clock. You see, I set it like 8 in the morning, and you press it again to back to the time displaying screen. Okay, you see there is another dimmer button here. You can press it to adjust the light of the display. You see, this is the brightest, and the dimmer. So if you feel it too shiny or a little bit too light while you are sleeping at night, you can press this to adjust it. Okay, for the better display, I would take it the brightest one. Okay, and another. So next, I will show you how to set one alarm clock. For example, let's press the M mode button, and now it is 00. So let's set a alarm clock about around 5 p.m. So can long press the mode button, and when the hours is flashing, you can press the plus button to set the correct hour you like. For example, the 5 p.m. 17, and press the mode button, short press it again to the minutes part. Let's set up like 7:05. Okay, you see, now press the mode button again. Now we have set it. Okay, you see the alarm clock is displaying at the 5:05 p.m. Okay, now let's see how to connect the speaker, after it is a speaker, to your cell phone. Okay, let's long press the power button for 2 to 3 seconds.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Until you hear this, and the display screen shows blue, which means it is waiting for you to be connected. Okay, now let's open the Bluetooth on your cell phone and find the NR3014. This is the Bluetooth name of our speaker. let's connect it.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Okay. Now let's hear some, real-time music coming out of it.